Imagine a plant in your garden quietly working to improve your soil while you sleep. This humble hero is hard at work beneath the surface, making your garden healthier without you lifting a finger. It pulls vital nutrients from the air and feeds your other plants for free. By capturing nitrogen, it acts as a natural fertilizer, enriching the earth. Clover blankets the soil, crowds out weeds, and revives tired earth naturally. Its dense growth forms a living mulch, protecting the ground from erosion. Clover's flowers attract bees and other beneficial insects, supporting the entire ecosystem of your garden. With clover, you can enjoy lush green beds and flourishing plants, all with less effort and fewer chemicals. What makes clover a living fertilizer? It's all about teamwork with soil bacteria called rhizobia. Clover, a legume, forms nodules on its roots where rhizobia live. These bacteria pull nitrogen from the air and convert it into plant food. Clover uses some of this nitrogen but shares the rest with your soil, feeding everything around it. No need for synthetic fertilizers, clover enriches your garden naturally. As clover grows and decomposes, it releases even more nutrients, creating a self-sustaining cycle. Its dense growth smothers weeds, protects soil from sun, and prevents erosion. Clover is a living mulch and a natural soil builder. It's the ultimate low-maintenance garden ally. Let's look closer at clover's partnership with rhizobia. Clover gives the bacteria sugars. In return, they fix nitrogen from the air into a form plants can use. This steady supply of nitrogen keeps your plants green, strong, and productive. Unlike chemical fertilizers, clover's slow-release nitrogen supports healthy, resilient growth. Clover roots also improve soil structure and water absorption, helping your garden withstand drought. When clover dies back, it adds organic matter, feeding earthworms and beneficial microbes. Think of clover as the foundation of a thriving soil food web. By growing clover, you're feeding the soil, not just the plants. It's a simple shift, working with nature, not against it. Planting clover is simple and rewarding. Just scatter seeds over loosened soil, rake them in, and keep the area moist until sprouts appear. Once established, clover thrives with little care, perfect for busy gardeners. Both white and crimson clover enrich soil and attract pollinators. Start your clover patch today and enjoy a lush, eco-friendly garden. Want maximum nitrogen for your garden without synthetic fertilizers or complicated routines? Try the simple, time-tested chop and drop method, nature's own way of feeding the soil. Cut clover just before it flowers, and let the fresh green clippings fall right onto your garden beds as a natural mulch. As these clippings decompose, they slowly release nitrogen and organic matter, nourishing your plants exactly where they need it most. With perennial clovers, you can repeat this process several times throughout the growing season, creating a continuous cycle of renewal. For annual clovers, chop them down before planting your summer crops, and let their nutrients enrich the soil for the next round of growth. Clover isn't just a soil builder, it's also a magnet for pollinators like bees and butterflies, and a haven for beneficial insects that help keep pests in check. Over time, this approach builds a resilient, living soil teeming with earthworms, microbes, and healthy roots. By partnering with clover, you're working with nature's systems, not against them, creating a garden that thrives with less effort and more harmony. Start with just a small patch, and you'll be amazed at how quickly your garden transforms and flourishes. You'll notice richer, darker soil, stronger, healthier plants, and a garden bursting with life and color. Sometimes, the most powerful solutions are right under our feet, simple, natural, and incredibly effective. So plant clover, nurture your soil, and help grow a greener, more beautiful world, one garden at a time.